You ever feel like every job these days somehow turns into a project, but nobody tells you how to actually run one? Maybe you've heard terms like Agile, Scrum, PMP. Feels like a whole new language, right? Yeah, I've been there. But don't worry, we're about to break all of it down. My name is Daniel, and today we're diving into 5 of the most practical, easy to follow, and actually useful project management courses on Udemy. Whether you're just starting out, trying to level up, or looking to get certified with something like PMP or Scrum Master, I've got you covered. Guys, make sure you check out all the useful links in the description. After watching this video, there might be some nice discounts there. Let's jump right in. Agile Crash Course. If you've ever heard of Agile but felt overwhelmed or confused, this course is exactly what you need. Think of it as Agile for anyone. No jargon, no fluff. Just the good stuff delivered in a clear, simple way. You'll get a solid grip on the basics of Agile project management and Scrum, learn how to use Agile to deliver projects faster, and even get certified at the end. Whether you're a complete beginner or someone who's just curious about Agile beyond IT, this course breaks it all down in under 3 hours. What you'll learn. By the time you finish, you'll really understand what Agile is all about, not just the theory, but how to actually use it in real life. You'll get to know the key ideas like user stories, daily stand-ups, retrospectives, and Kanban boards. You'll see how Agile differs from old-school project methods and why it's now the go-to approach for launching apps, products, or even online courses faster. Plus, you'll pick up useful tools and tips that make Agile easy to apply, no matter what you're working on. And yes, you'll get a certificate to prove it. Course features. The course is packed with 2.5 hours of video content, plus articles, downloadable templates, and lots of real-world examples that keep things practical and relevant. You can watch it anytime, anywhere, on your phone or TV. If you ever get stuck, there's one-on-one support from an Agile expert who lives and breathes this stuff every day. And the course keeps getting better with free updates, so you're always learning the latest. Course requirements. You don't need any special skills or previous knowledge to jump in. Just come with an open mind and a willingness to learn something new that can really boost your career or personal projects. No prep work or tech background required. If you're curious about Agile terms you've heard but didn't understand, like MVP or Scrum Master, this is the place to clear that up. Why this course? Because this isn't just another dry theory course. It's built by a real Agile guru who wrote the mini book of Agile and has helped thousands of students get up to speed fast. You're not just getting videos, you're getting access to exclusive tools, templates, resume tips, and even live group coaching sessions if you want them. Over 275,000 students have already taken this course, and the feedback is consistently amazing because it actually works. And that's the first course. Let's check out the second one. The Project Management course, Beginner to Project Manager. If you've ever looked at a messy team, a vague business goal, or a chaotic to-do list and wondered, how does anyone make sense of this? This course is for you. Whether you're totally new to project management or just tired of figuring it out as you go, this course takes you from beginner to project manager in a clear, practical way. No jargon, no fluff. Just real-world skills that you can actually use. What you'll learn. In this course, you're going to learn how to run a project from start to finish. That means taking an idea, turning it into a plan, leading a team, staying on schedule, and delivering results. Along the way, you'll see how a professional project manager handles real situations, not just theory, but a full case study that follows a project from day one to final delivery. You'll also pick up essential tools like Gantt charts, critical path, and project plans. And you'll get over 15 ready-to-use templates that make your job easier. You'll also cover both waterfall and agile methodologies, explain Scrum in a way that actually makes sense, and show you how to use Excel to create key project documents. And since project management is evolving fast, the course authors have added a section on AI tools and real examples of how today's PMs are using them to work smarter and faster. Course features. You'll get almost 8 hours of engaging video lessons, practical case studies, downloadable resources, and mobile-friendly access, all wrapped up with a certificate when you're done. The course is taught by Ivan, a seasoned project manager named PM of the Year by the Project Management Institute, and produced by 365 Careers, one of Udemy's most trusted education teams. Everything's designed to be simple, clear, and genuinely useful. And if you ever get stuck or have a question, you'll get a response within a day. Course requirements. No experience needed at all. You start from the ground up, just bring your interest and make sure you've got access to Microsoft Office, Word, PowerPoint, and especially Excel for the hands-on templates and exercises. Why this course? There are tons of project management courses out there, but this one is built to be different. It's hands-on, it's taught by someone who's actually done the job across industries, and it gives you tools you can start using right away. This course is perfect if you're just starting your career, looking to pivot into project management, or even if you've been managing projects informally and want to finally feel confident doing it right. The skills you'll learn here can unlock promotions, better pay, and a job that keeps you growing, not stuck doing the same thing every day. Alright, now let's look at course number 3. Guys, before we move on, I try to make my content fun instead of boring. And in return, please like this video and subscribe to my channel if you enjoy the content I make. Scrum Master Certification plus Agile Scrum Certification. Ever heard of Scrum and wondered why it seems to be everywhere in the world of tech and project management? Or maybe you're trying to get certified, but keep stumbling over confusing jargon and vague explanations. This course breaks everything down in plain, practical English. Whether you're aiming to pass your Scrum certification, prepping for a job interview, or just want to finally understand what Agile Scrum is all about, you're in the right place. What you'll learn. This course takes you from the very basics and walks you through everything you need to know about Scrum. You'll get a full overview of what Scrum really is, how it works, and why it's one of the most effective ways to manage even the messiest, most complex projects. You'll explore all the key roles, events, and tools you'll use day to day in a Scrum team. By the end, you'll feel confident about tackling the Scrum Open Assessment and ready to sit for your actual certification. Whether it's the PSM or another Agile exam, you'll also get insights into common mistakes, what's new in the latest Scrum guide, and how to apply everything in real-world situations. Course features. This is a short but powerful course. UST over 3 hours of focused, engaging content that you can watch anytime, anywhere. It's designed specifically for learners like you who want a clear, no-nonsense path to understanding Scrum. All the content is updated based on the 2020 version of the Scrum Guide, and it includes quick audio summaries, helpful articles, and key exam prep points. Everything is aimed at helping you learn fast and retain what matters most. Course requirements. No experience? No problem. You don't need any background in project management or Agile to get started. Everything is explained from the ground up, assuming you're coming in completely new. All you need is an interest in learning and maybe a notebook, if you want to jot down some key tips and reminders along the way. Why this course? Scrum certifications can be expensive, folks, and a lot of the materials out there feel way too complex or outdated. This course is designed to keep things real and straightforward, giving you exactly what you need to feel prepared and confident. You won't be stuck reading dry theory, you'll understand how Scrum actually works and how to apply it in the workplace. And if you ever have questions, you'll be supported every step of the way. It's perfect for learners who want to avoid spending thousands on traditional classes, but still want a strong, reliable foundation in Agile Scrum. Alright folks, let's move to course number 4. PMP Certification Exam Prep Course. If you're aiming for the PMP certification and want to feel confident walking into that exam room, this course is built for you. Whether you're trying to level up your career, get a promotion, or just prove you know your stuff, this is the kind of prep that actually works. Everything in this course is updated for the current PMP exam, and it's designed to make the complex world of project management feel a lot more manageable, even if you're starting from scratch. What you'll learn. You'll go through everything you need to pass the PMP exam, step by step. That means getting solid with the PMBOK guide, both the 6th and 7th editions, the Agile Practice Guide, and even the stuff people often trip over, like EVM formulas and the full list of 49 PMBOK processes. There's also an entire section on Agile and hybrid project approaches, so you'll know what to do, whether you're managing a traditional or modern project. And yes, this course is all about helping you pass the exam the first time. You'll also pick up smart exam strategies, key formulas, and the kind of tips that make a real difference. Course features. This isn't just a few videos thrown together, it is a full-blown PMP prep experience with more than 35 hours of content. You'll get access to 400+ exam-style questions, a full-length practice test, slides, PDFs, and clear explanations of every topic that shows up on the exam. And it's all presented in a format that makes it easy to follow, whether you're watching on your phone, tablet, or TV. Plus, you'll get help with your PMP application, so you don't feel lost in that process either. Course requirements. Good news. There are no real requirements to get started here. You don't need to know project management in detail or have any previous training. Just bring your motivation and a willingness to learn. Everything is covered from the ground up in a way that's easy to understand, even if you're new to the field. Why this course? You're not just learning from anyone. This course is taught by Andrew Ramdial, a well-known PMP expert and author of one of the best-selling PMP study guides on Amazon. He's got more than 60 certifications under his belt, and he's helped thousands of students from all over the world pass their exams. The material is clear, the teaching style is practical, and you'll be walked through every key concept you need. This isn't theory dumped on a slide. This is real-world PMP prep from someone who's been in the trenches. Alright guys, and now the last but not least, the Ultimate Project Management PMP Prep Course. If you're thinking about taking your career to the next level with a PMP or CAPM certification, this course is here to make that journey easier. Whether you're new to project management, already working in a project-based role, or just curious about how Agile and traditional PM styles fit together, this is a one-stop shop for everything you need. What you'll learn? You'll pick up all the essentials for project management success, starting from the basics of how to kick off and manage a project, right through to the more advanced stuff like risk, scope, schedule, and stakeholder engagement. You'll also dive deep into both traditional and agile methods, so you'll know how to switch gears depending on the kind of team or project you're working with. And the best part? You'll understand exactly how to apply these frameworks in real life, not just memorize theory. By the time you're done, you'll feel ready to pass your PMP or CAPM exam and actually enjoy doing it. Course features. You're looking at around 28 hours of content, including practice questions, downloadable resources, and video breakdowns that don't just talk at you. You'll get 500 high-quality practice questions that match the tone and style of the real exam, plus 2 full-length practice tests to see where you stand. And yes, this course gives you the 35 PDUs, or contact hours you need to qualify for the exam in the first place. It's also designed to work smoothly, whether you're on your laptop or just watching on your phone during a commute. Course requirements. You don't need any background in project management to get started. Everything's explained in a super easy-to-follow way. If you're a total beginner, that's fine. If you already know a bit and just want to refine your skills or get certified, you're in the right place too. Why this course? This course doesn't just prepare you for an exam, it prepares you to do the job. It breaks down the entire PMBOK guide, Agile practice guide, and Process Groups practice guide into content you'll actually remember. You even get a unique Agile add-on that shows you how every process connects to both Agile and traditional methods, something even experienced managers struggle to learn. It's the kind of insight that usually takes years on the job, and you're getting it all here. Final thoughts. So there you have it. 5 of the best, most practical project management courses on Udemy that can actually help you level up without boring you to death. Project management doesn't have to feel like decoding a secret language. These courses break things down in a way that actually makes sense, with real-world tools you can use right away. If one of these stood out to you, don't just sit on it. Give it a shot. Try one of the courses out and see how much more confident you feel after just a few lessons. And hey, I'd love to hear from you. Which course are you thinking about trying first? Or maybe you've already taken one of these. Drop your thoughts in the comments and let's talk about it. Feel free to check out the course-related links in the description below. You might find some discounts there. As usual, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Until next time.